Maths is such a headache. These topics are so tough, they're beyond my scope actually. What? You have difficulty in maths? People generally have difficulty in DP, graph, tree. How can one have difficulty in maths?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So, don't you face problem in maths? How do you do maths actually? What? Who does maths? I have more important topics to practice. Ram Ram coders, I hope all of you are really doing good. So in this brand new video, we will be discussing about maths. So it goes without saying, maths is an integral part of our life. Whether you are in primary school, you are in secondary school, you are someone of arts, commerce, science, or you are in any profession, you cannot avoid maths.
अच्छा
I think the same goes with coding. Whether you're targeting big MNCs or you're deep into competitive programming, you cannot avoid maths. Or is it that you think you will do graph and DP and you will be okay with it? So let's discuss this in detail. Stay till the end of the video to gather some important insights from the video. So since this video is about maths, let's talk in numbers. So let's take up some of the famous platforms which we use for coding. So here is the stats of LeetCode as per our research done till this date. So you can see from the graph, LeetCode has a total of 2898 problems, out of which maths has occupied 498 problems. This is really huge. That maths is important in so many questions. Now let's come to code forces. Here we have divided the research for code forces into two parts because some of us use code forces for our practice in contest, for our speed in OTs, while some of us use code forces for our passion, for international competitions in coding, right? So if we talk about the initial part where we have divided the problem into 800 to 1400 rating, here you can see code forces has a total of 5580 problems, out of which maths alone occupies 1930 problems. Again, this is really huge, around 30%. Now if we see the other half of code forces which people use for deep coding, so here again you can see code forces has a total of 5770 problem, out of which again maths occupies 1575 problem. Now as you saw the stats, this is really huge. Like maths is a helping hand in so many questions, around 30% of the question in each platform. So you cannot avoid maths in any manner, right? Now similarly, if you come to OTs of great companies, of our favorite companies, you can see from the list OTs also maths is very significant. Prominent questions are from maths. DP and graph doing is really good, but maths cannot be avoided. So based on our research, we have divided the entire maths into three categories: easy, medium and tough. The easy and the medium category must be done by anyone and everyone who are targeting good placement, who wants to excel in coding, while the tough topics are meant for competitive programmers and those who have deep interest in coding. So the easy topics, we have kept factors, prime numbers, prime factorials, LCM, GCD. In the medium topics, we have sieve, we have modulus, we have inverse modulus, we have binary exponentiation, while the tough topics include permutation, combinations, geometry, probability. So these are the division which we have done to the best of our research. So bhaiya, from where we can study these topics? So if you're someone new to our channel, you must not be knowing, we have a PPS sheet which is very structured. So if you go to the math section of the PPS sheet and obviously the RM batch of the competitive programming course, here you can find all the topics of easy and medium level in deep detail with proper understanding. For the advanced topics like PNC, combinations, probabilities, you can refer to the Astitva series of our CP course that covers all the advanced topic with deep insights on how to approach all those questions. Now if you want to practice this problem, because knowing the concepts is not enough, right? So as we saw in our previous research that LeetCode code forces has ample of problem of maths, so you have to just go to the problem set, you can set your difficulty level, you can put the tag maths and you can start practicing problems. Okay,
music.
so I hope you like this video. These type of videos require a lot of research and hard work. If you appreciate our efforts, then do give it a like, do share it to your near and dear ones, and do comment out the topics on which you want the next video, because these videos are rare. Everyone talks about DP, everyone talks about graph, but just covering these topics may help you. So we started this series. Do comment out the topic on which you want our next video. But till then, keep coding. Jai Hind.